YouTube. Welcome back again. Choppy price action, you know, up, down, long, short, long, short. Yesterday I didn't trade actually, you know, because the day before we took the short, the day before that we took the long. So, you know, it's very exhausting and, you know, over trading is one of the things I've learned is I don't overtrade actually. You know, once I reach my weekly target, I stop trading, you know, and stop trading also means stop watching the chart because I see trades everywhere, right? And once I see a trade, it's very difficult not to take it. So I just stop watching the chart, you know, and but what's going on now in the market, you know, we found support on previous resistance actually, and we bounce on it and we break bearish 786 after 786. So that means you have bullish order flow, and that also means that you can expect upside. You know, when you go to the daily time frame, what you see on the 8-hour usually is that once you become bearish, that the 8-hour turns bearish and the daily also eventually turns bearish. And in this case, it's not the case actually. So that means that we will see upside because we retraced the 618 yesterday on the daily time frame, and yeah, we have bullish order flow again. So, you know, I'm very happy actually that we retraced the 618 yesterday after a shark fin. You know, if you don't follow me on X, go follow me on X because I'm very active there and I update you guys immediately at the moment I see a reversal coming, you know. So if you follow me there, you can make a lot of money actually. You know, again, this is not financial advice. This is based on my own experience. I trade for a living, you know, I cannot afford to lose. So I can say I have a 9 out of 10 trades are spot on actually. So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. So what you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and let's go do a top-down analysis. You know, this is a very important support level. I will show you which one it is. So what you can see actually on the daily time frame is that what I told you guys before is once the 8-hour becomes bearish like this, you want to see the daily also become bearish, right? But in this case, you can see that the price is coming above the 200 moving average again. So what you see actually is that they're pushing this divergence, you know, the thing is once price keeps pumping, this divergence is not valid anymore. You see the RSI doesn't go to the 30 line, it goes back to the 70 line. And once we are above, this divergence becomes weaker and weaker. And usually what you see on the daily time frame is that we become bearish also. And the thing is, we're still underneath the 200 moving average, but this looks very bullish to me actually. So what can we expect now after this retracement on the 618 yesterday, right? This one. It was there somewhere around 10 o'clock in the New York time in the morning. I posted this on my X profile. I thought this reversal. So we came to the 618 and I posted this, and now we are up again, right? So follow me on X, you know, keep update so I can keep you guys updated because, you know, I'm very active there and you can just follow this trade and make a lot of money actually. So guys, you know, compression candle on the daily time frame, it's still it's just opened actually 21 hours, so we cannot say that this is really a compression candle, but it looks like a compression candle. So once you close a candle like this, then you can expect expansion, right? So for now, you know, let's go back to the lower time frames. Let's draw this very important support level. You can see before it was like a resistance, we came back down, and now we broke above, and now we found support on this previous resistance. What now became support, right? So you can see a clear bounce on this line here, and you can also see that we're forming bull flags now. So that's very bullish. But what can we expect now? I'm still aiming for 115k, I think. Let's grab Fibonacci with us. Why I cannot see my settings? Oh, here, 0, the 1, the 1, and the 2. So the first target I'm aiming for actually is 109k. 109k also. The thing is with Fibonacci, you have to be you have to work very precisely to predict literally on the number what we can expect, right? So my first target should be somewhere around 109k, but it's very possible. It's possible that we snap right through the 109 and that we come to 111, let's say 112k, right? But actually, I wanted to say to you guys 114, 115k. That's my next level actually. So, you know, just wait. Just wait. It's now Asia in the morning, 10:47. To be honest, guys, it's very difficult to say what's going to happen. We have to see. You know, there's a lot of manipulation at the moment. And this was our liquidity sweep. We created divergence. We came back to sell side liquidity as I showed you on my X profile. Now we came back to the 618 and now we're up again. And now we found support on previous resistance. Very bullish order flow actually. But expect the unexpected. You know, it's 10:47 Asia time. And I want to see what's happening during London and New York actually. I always try to find a daily bottom before 10 a.m. New York time. You know, we're still in a premium market, so I'm expecting something before we go up actually. The thing is, we're still above this support level. So there's also a possibility that we snap right up actually. But that's very difficult, and in my case, you know, I trade 200x leverage. I wait. I cannot jump in long positions on this resistance levels or support levels at this moment. You know, I learned that in these tops, in this crazy tops, in premium markets, there's a lot of manipulation. You know, and I don't see my model now at the moment. Yesterday I saw my model here bearish, so we took this short here. So now we're up. I was sleeping here, so I just have to wait, right? And if I see my model, if I see something, I post it on my X profile. For now, it's very difficult to say where we go. You know, the thing is, I can predict where we go somewhere. I'm aiming for 115k, very fast, 114k. But I want to see something before I jump in this long position, right? So guys, you know, quick update on BTC. If you want to catch this entry with me, follow me on X, you know. And for now we just have to wait, right? What is dominance doing? Be careful with altcoins, you know. Just wait till BTC is topped out and then we go long on alts, actually. So guys, it's very difficult to say what's going on now at the moment. Yes, we're pumping. Yes, we're in a premium. Yes, we're going up. But can you enter now? No, I will not enter a long position here. So, you know, guys, just be careful, stay safe, you know, follow me on X, stay updated. And so guys, you know, yes, we're bullish. Yes, we're in a premium. Should you go long here? No, I will not go long here. I should wait for retracement. You know, follow me on X. I'll post an entry there once I see my model, or once I see a potential entry for a long position. I post it on my X profile. So go follow me on X, and you know, just be careful. You know, we're in a premium. Yes, we're bullish, but expect the unexpected. It's now 10:45. 51 a.m. New York of AZ time. So guys, you know, just be careful, you know, and wait for retracement, and follow me in X. So with that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.